everyone, welcome back to my channel, Short Life Channel. For today's video is all about visiting Intramuros here in Manila. This place is the one of historical Philippines. This is one also known as Wall City. They call Wall City because this place is surrounded by thick and strong wall and built during Spanish era. Let's go, guys! Let's go, guys!
Before during Spanish time to.
Dito ka tumawid na kayo.
So yung gate na to, ito po exclusive lang po sa mga general tsaka sa mga gobernador.
Siya na yung mag-explain.
Exclusive lang po siya sa mga general tsaka gobernador ng panahon ng Espanyol.
Panahon ng Spanish.
Yes.
So ngayon, in-open na siya for tourists.
Yeah. So dati yung kung tawagin niyo, the first aquarium de Manila.
The first aquarium of Manila.
Ocean Park dati.
Ito pala yung Ocean
nalipat
Park,
na-
yung unang-unang
nalipat na
Ocean
po
Park.
siya doon sa may Quirino Grandstand. So dito naman po sa side
Ang galing mag-tour guide ni Kuya.
5 kilometers
So dito yung
po.
sinasabi mo na
Opo,
pwedeng
ma'am,
mag-gather
wow.
ng wedding.
Yes.
So guys, ayan, sobrang
So,
daming
during Japanese
turista.
time naman po, yan po yung ginawa rin kulungan ng mga Hapon.
Ayan,
Yung sa
yan
side
daw
na
yung
yan.
jail ng mga Japanese. So guys, yun yung sinasabi niya dito. Ito yung gulf area na konektado ng Pasig River na dati is parang matubig pa siya.
Oo,
Tapos ginawa
nakalubog
na
siya sa
na
water.
gulf area na.
Careful ta ha. Ang taas pa.
Area na sinasabi na dati siya konektado siya sa Pasig River. Kaya dati is matubig siya. Tapos na-renovate lang siya ng ilang taon tapos ginawa na siyang gulf area. So guys, ito yung famous
Karami yun po ng mga ating mga kababayan Pilipino may mga problema sa kanilang kumpanya.
Intramuros, known as the Wall City, his historic district in Manila, Philippines. Built by Spanish in the 16th century, it served as the political, religious, and military center of their colony. Today, it is a popular tourist destination, featuring well-preserved colonial architecture, museum, church, and landmarks like Fort Santiago and Manila Cathedral.
Kanya Desus, ma'am.
Aha.
So ngayon ma'am, ginawa na lang po siyang bagong Bayan Light and Sun Museum.
Okay.
Kung saan pinapalabas ang nangyari sa buhay ng ating national na hero na si Dr. Jose Rizal, simula ng pagkabata siya hanggang maril sa Malisan. Ma'am, educational po. Watchtower siya dati, ma'am. So yung tower niya, ma'am, nasira siya noong earthquake noong 1800, ma'am. So during Japanese time naman, ma'am, ito po yung dating Japanese headquarters. So dito po nila tinotorture yung mga kababayan natin Pilipino noon, ma'am. Baluarte means bulwark.
So may entrance siya.
Opo, ito po yung 75 po for the regular, for the student, senior citizen, and PWD is 50 pesos po.
Okay.
Hello guys, so ito na nga yung Baluarte.
Yeah. Purple. I think. Yeah. Siya kita. Ay, dito nag-shooting si ano.
Hi guys, ayan yan guys, ililibot namin kayo dito sa Intramuros.
Nasa ano tayo?
Meron din pala, yung iba pala, meron palang mga bay pag pupunta ka. Pero yung mas marami daw yung walang bay. Kaya
Nasaan tayo today?
Nasa ano tayo ngayon? San Diego de Baluarte. Kanya?
Japanese Cannon.
Japanese Cannon.
The anti-aircraft.
The anti-aircraft. Okay, let's go.
Okay. So, yung muralya naman po, ang ibig sabihin po naman ng muralya natin ay long wall, ma'am, or mahabang bato. Yan yung Spanish word din po siya. Muralya. Mga butas-butas na wall, alam po yung mga original wall.
Ano?
Sa walls po kasi natin ngayon, ma'am, ay 70% ay renovated, 30% na lang po yung mga original. So, kung may makikita, Manila Bulletin po, one of the largest printing newspaper company.
Manila Bulletin. Ito pala yun.
Since 1900 pa po.
Since 1900.
So, before nagawa ko, alam po yung
Bahay na ba ito?
ito po yung mga alak nila.
Oh, okay.
Regular rentals po, 100. May 6 shots po siya. So kung gusto nyo lang po yun, kailangan mo yung gawa mo, ma'am. Yung mag...
Shoktong ba tawag dito? Yung sa alak? Philippine Carabao. Let's go. Okay. Yes.
Video available in recent talk. So we after the second floor we can go at the bar.
Okay, thanks.
Within Intramuros, the Destileria Limtuancos Museum stands a notable example of the Bahay na Bato stone house that has been repurposed to showcase the rich history of the Philippines. Oldest distilleria established in 1852 by Limtuanco Destileria Limtuanco has played a significant role in the country liquor industry.
Ito yung parang paggawaan ng alak.
Pagawaan ng alak, tapos pag pumasok ka is may
Additional drinks. Sake.
is another 100. Kaya guys, yun sa akin is 200. Tapos yung is 100 kasi hindi siya umihin.
Is their logo. So big here. So this is the picture from the historical era during Spanish. And this is how they create wine or other alcohol here. Here is the bottle. It's look like gin. Right? It's look like gin. And tanduay. Yeah, here. So ready na siyang uminom na alcohol. Yeah, and here is their alcohol counter.
The museum is housed in historic stone house located at 482 San Juan de Letran Street, Intramuros. This building was acquired by the Limtuanco family in 1979 with the intention of preserving and sharing the company legacy. It officially opened its door to the public as museum on February 6, 2018. Visitors the museum can explore various exhibits that detail the distillery's evolution over the years. The display include vintage bottles, old distillation equipments, and memorabilia related to the company's iconic products such as White Castle whiskey. Notably, the museum offers interactive experience including liquor tasting, allowing guests to sample some Distilleria Limtuanco re-owned spirits. The Distilleria Limtuanco Museum not only highlights the company contribution to the liquor industry but also serve as testament to the enduring charm and punctuality of the Bahay na Bato architectural style within Intramuros.
Nobody uses
This one, ano?
the green apple tea. Green vodka base.
Oh, green vodka base. Kampay. Lightly.
Yeah.
Sarap. Strawberry margarita. Ayan, tequila base. Sing, ito daw yung bestseller nila dito sa Intramuros. Laki yung bibidyo yung nasa taas. Tikman natin ang bestseller nila. Kampay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Strong. Very strong and worse. Baka mamaya wala na.
24.
Mango rum?
Yes, ma'am.
Mango rum liquor. Ay.
You're right.
Sawa ko, uwi ka na. Kampay tayo dito.
Regular. The mango.
Sa mango.
Star apple yan.
Masarap yung mga flavor nila, guys. Hindi mo malalasahan yung mga liquor. Yung flavor ang malalasahan. Nila dito. So guys, complete ko na to. Ayan. Merong life and merong words. Parang naramdam ko na yung init eh. Kampay. Ito ang matindi. Amoy pa lang. Tequila boom boom. Uy, shit. Ang sarap. So guys, ito na yung last kong iinumin. Pang 6 bottle ko na to. Ito ang tinatawag nilang tequila coffee liquor. Yung flavor niya. Sarap pala dito.
Year 2003 pa.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng flavor. So guys, tapos na akong uminom.
Ubos si ma'am ng 6 shots.
6 shot of boom boom. Na boom boom na ako dito guys. Ayan. Next time, isasama ko yung mga friends ko. So guys, iyan yung 6 glass kong ininom. Finish.
Yeah, you want to try? You want to try
Ang sarap.
something sweet?
ito 1571 na pinamumunuan sa El Adelantado Miguel Lopez de Legazpi from the Spain po. So, before ma'am, ay dalawa yung story na dyan ma'am. So, yung one tower niya ma'am ay sira din siya by the earthquake. Kasabay nung tower doon sa May, San Diego, 1880. So, kung may makikita kayong mga Chinese symbol na Chinese lion, kasi halos po ng mga survivor ng war dito, bigyan po sila. Akala ng mga Amerikano, ito po ikapit po sila. Hindi nila ano, simbahan.
This day is not only about our love for each other, but also the love of God. Love of God. Ang walang limit ng mahal ng Diyos.
So, akala ko yung painting lang pala siya.
Painting lang po yun ng dalawang Italianos.
So, hindi to sculpture.
Dito siya sa
How about the door? Yung door.
mga mayayari ng Ayala Mall, Ayala President. The first president, Emilio Aguinaldo, the last president, Rodrigo Roman Duterte.
Alin?
So after that, after that time, ni Bongbong Marcos po ilalagay po yung started terror sa tabi ni Duterte. So yung nasira lang po yung started ng ating...
Guys, tapos na kami dito sa Intramuros. Hintayin nyo ang aking new video. And that's all guys. Gosi Chori katagosayimashita. Mata sugino to kani o aishimashou. Bye bye!
Ay, Japanese yung ano mo. Salamat.